Alright, top of the morning. It's your boy Garv. I'm back. So, it's Monday. I'm trying to get some shit done on this car. So, I want to get these headlights installed. So, I'm going to bring it in to the shop. And I have a whole brake kit that I want to do, but I'm not trying to get stuck here at 1:30. So, if it gets too close to the time, I'm going to dip. Come back tomorrow, we're going to do the brakes. So, I'm going to put the European headlights in this shit. So, yeah, I'm going to tap in with you when I get in the shop and all that good shit. Which bay? Which bay?
Sir, you are in the flat.
Okay.
15.
I got you.
You'll be at 15, gang.
What?
That ass like my little brother. Because he got rust in the same place as I got it too. Yo, we got the same rust, bro. Under the trunk, the wheel wells. I was checking your shit out over here.
You know how these old BMWs are.
Yo. I was checking my 36 heads and a little rust over the fender. That shit was recreated.
I'm nothing right now. I just want to change them out because the ones I got look better.
Yo, no horn? It's illegal. Take it off the road.
No horn? Yeah, no horn.
Wait. There's no horn. That's not mean like.
It's illegal.
I mean, I could fix it. I have the shit to do it right now, but
That's illegal. That's illegal, no?
I don't give a damn. Because
Yeah, except the wipers are. He has the wipers off right now. You guys are fucking douchebags. What the fuck, dude? Oh my god. Just be straight.
now, it's Monday.
Pretty car.
Those four is gigantic, bro. What the hell? This is a straight six, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
328.
That's not what I said, bro. Let's do it.
Alright.
I think in his room.
Huh?
Yo.
In the room?
Yo, fill that, bro. Barbell.
Oh, why you sucking this dick? Ooh, that shit tough. I don't get pussy. I should have a girl too.
Is it manual?
I seen him. I seen him. There's no doubt about it. I seen my boy.
My boy looked like me before he cut his head.
What is it?
Yo, wait,
bro. To each his own, man. Don't be lights, man.
Before you go there, you gotta understand that you're talking to. I'm the quarter pounder.
Oh wow.
I go to the gym so I can pick big girls up.
We removed them. Now to install the new one.
Gosh, shut the fuck up with your ass, bro. Get out of here, bro. That was the easy part. When you come back in, when you go out and do some electric.
And after break.
I shouldn't even be touching it.
After break, now get the fuck out of my shop.
Bro, you don't even get done, bro. Like, bro.
Why you don't want nobody to drop you?
And then bring that in class. Yo, so how do you fix it? I feel like you get defensive, but like when you get embarrassed, you get super defensive. I'm embarrassed. I think you got embarrassed the fact that you said you use chat. Nah, I said you get defensive. I said you get offended. I said you get defensive.
This is me. I'm smiling, looking. I'm literally laughing too. Bro,
Get no
Bro.
bitch. Get no bitches.
What? What's your problem, bro? Anytime you know you get on the nigga nerves, you just like.
Just come back. You guys are gonna come back in 12 minutes. Yeah. Out of all?
Like one time.
One time. That's solid.
That's solid for CV. New era.
Bro, y'all gotta understand, bro.
New era
Engines
CV.
really fucked it up for niggas.
Nah. We found the issue. Look. I need to fix this. My power wire for my corner light.
Oh, you need to get a whole picture.
Oh, so I need a whole new pigtail for that?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll order one. So how do you get it to connect to that though?
What do you
Oh,
do? You gotta cut.
order
cut
it,
the
cut it,
wire.
and then use
The
the.
pig. What you're gonna get is the pigtail. It's gonna have like 6 inches. You can't afford to replace shit, so don't sit on nobody's fucking. Don't sit on. Make it a good habit of not sitting on nobody's car. Yo, I swear you're a waste of fucking skin.
Oh shit. Yo, I'm sitting right here on the body of the car. If the body break, then that's not on me.
This is a classic. You can't afford shit. You can't find the fucking parts for this car.
Of course, he's not wrong. He's not wrong.
Yeah, exactly. You more reason for you to respect this shit.
I do respect this one.
Alright, so it's your boy Guard. So I'm at home. So let me show you what the whip is looking like. I'm about to do some brakes tomorrow, but this is what the headlights are looking like. They're still kind of finicky. Sometimes they turn themselves on and off and shit, but yeah, that's what they're looking like. So not bad, not bad. So yeah, appreciate y'all for everything, the subs, the likes, the comments, all that. I am gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be working on my brakes. So yeah, safety.